Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious and healthy Christmas brownies in just 2 minutes. Perfect for the holidays, right? Let's dive in. First, grab a mixing bowl and toss in half a cup of almond flour, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Now for the sweetness, add a third of a cup of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until you have a smooth batter. Now, onto the healthy twist. Fold in half a cup of Greek yogurt. This is going to make your brownies super moist and add a boost of protein. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, melted. Stir until everything's well combined. It's time to get festive. Throw in a handful of chopped dark chocolate and some crushed peppermint candies. This is totally optional, but it really brings in that holiday vibe. Mix it up gently. Now pour your batter into a microwave-safe dish. Make sure to spread it evenly. Pop it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Depending on your microwave, you might need a little more or less time, so keep an eye on it. When it's done, the top should look set and slightly firm. Let it cool for a few minutes before cutting into squares. And there you go, healthy Christmas brownies ready to enjoy. They're fudgy, rich, and oh so festive. Perfect for sharing with family and friends. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy holidays and happy baking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.